Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java 25 Development Kit, which will give you Java compiler and also Java runtime. So JVM, JRE, and JDK all in one. So go to this link. I will leave this link in the description below. And once you are on this page, you can simply download the Java Development Kit 25. For Windows, if you are on Mac, you can use these links here. If you are on Linux, you can use these links. So for this video is for Windows. We have two down installers. One is this .exe installer one, the other one is MSI installer. So I've gone ahead and downloaded this for you. Go ahead and download. Just click this link to start the download. Once the download is complete, go to downloads option here and click on it. I'm using Chrome. Whatever browser you are using, just find your downloaded package and then say yes on the USA window and wait for this installer to start the installation. It is just preparing the install. Click next, and this is where it's going to keep you 25 JDK 25. Shouldn't take long time. Copying new files, extracting installer. It says JSC successfully installed. Close it. I'm going to check whether it's been installed or not by just hitting J shell. J shell is taking a bit longer. It says welcome to JSL 25. I can simply exit it and say Java. So it's working as we have Java 25 LTS release. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. Thank you. Bye.